Now here aldehyde, that is general preparation of aldehyde. This general preparation here, first is that is simply primary alcohol. Primary alcohol is converted into aldehyde. Same way secondary alcohol also converted into ketone. So this is the conversion or preparation of aldehyde and ketone, general method. So how this primary alcohol is converted into aldehyde? See here, this primary alcohol means RCHHOH. In presence of copper at 573 Kelvin, in presence of copper at 573 Kelvin, it changes to RC double bond OH, that is aldehyde. This is a primary alcohol changes to aldehyde. This is general method. Now after that this secondary alcohol. Now see, secondary alcohol also, here see, secondary alcohol means one R is attached to the carbon. The secondary alcohol is changes to same copper at 573 Kelvin. What happened? There is formation of ketone, that is RCR double bond O. This is said to be ketone. Now here again, from this secondary alcohol is treated with NaBH4, sodium borohydride, also form ketone. This is the sodium borohydride, NaBH4, undergoes oxidation, removal of hydrogen from the secondary alcohol to form ketone. That is the secondary alcohol to ketone preparation. Now after that, very important method, that is ozonolysis. What is ozonolysis? Ozonolysis means what? Any unsaturated hydrocarbon is treated with ozone, that is O3. To form, there is a formation of ozonide. This ozonide is treated with zinc and followed by hydrolysis. On hydrolysis, what happens? The cleavage takes place in this way. To form, there is a formation of carbonyl compound. Now students, here today I am discussing aldehyde and ketone. Aldehyde, that is RC double bond OH. This is aldehyde. And ketone, that is compound containing carbonyl CO substituted by R. And carboxylic RCOOH. This is carboxylic. In general, you can say compound containing C double bond O is said to be carbonyl compound. This is a carbonyl. So here this is the carbonyl compound. In this carbonyl compound means always there is a C double bond O. Now see, carbonyl compound, that is C double bond plus C double bond O and ZNO as a byproduct. So here this is the carbonyl compound, means maybe aldehyde or maybe ketone. This ozonolysis will give maybe aldehyde or maybe ketone as shown above. It depends on the substituted to the carbon. This carbonyl group substituted. If suppose that I am substituting both R, so there is a formation of ketone. If I am substituting one alkyl group, then aldehyde. If both hydrogen, then methanol or formaldehyde. So in this way, ozonolysis will give both aldehyde and ketone as shown here.